Hi everybody, this is Saad. I'm a cycle enthusiast. I love cycling and I love trying to repair cycles, although it's not one of my skills. But I love to fiddle around with cycles. And this current cycle, which I have with me, has been lying here for a while, about few months, because of a major issue. And that major issue is in its crank, namely this crank arm. This is a Shimano design. Um Cycle has Sora shifters. There's only a rear shifter, no front shifter. I don't like front shifters. And the problem with this design, I think design, it works well. The cycle has been with me for 4 years, and unfortunately, I think the problem started after I took this cycle to the mountains. It's about 2,000 plus meters, and I tried to go down and then climb up, and the route was not very good. In fact, there was no metal roads. Most of it was just sand and rock. So I think that this cycle suffered quite a bit. Still, it survived for another 1 year, after which the crank arm gave way. The problem is, I think, Shimano design is that these cross bolts hold this in place. If something goes wrong for some reason, they can't seem to hold it. There is these cross bolts, and then in here you have something called a crank nut, which just goes in, fits in it. It's supposed to hold it in place. It's not supposed to put pressure on it. In fact, the ones that Shimano gives is made of plastic, and this one came with the new crank. So the problem is that it comes off easily. It's moving, and look, it's just gonna. I'm using one arm, so it just came off. Could be something wrong with this. I don't know, but I replaced these bolts. I bought new ones. In fact, I bought two ones, and both of these got damaged, which seems to me that there's something wrong uh, with either the in here with these or inside this. One option I had was to weld it in place. I didn't want to do that. You never know, something goes wrong or whatever. And this is in any case aluminium, and it's aluminium alloy. I don't think we really have the technology here in Pakistan. By the way, the cycle I got from Japan. It's Sawa. It was aluminium fiber cycle. I couldn't really find the company in on website, but I do find these cycles are available on AliExpress. They're not that cheap. This one was for $900 about 4.5 years ago. It was a great buy at the time. This is one of the best cycles I've written. Although I can't claim I've written one of the top cycles, but I've written a few number of cycles, and this is one of the best. Goes quite fast, but I think the top speed is around 45 kilometers, and you need a lot of strength for that, considering the tires are small and stuff, and not very thin. But it's an amazing cycle. You can go as far as you like. I think 150 kilometers, you wouldn't feel tired. So I really want to get this cycle fixed, and of course this is the first time for me, so let's see how well it goes. And in its place I used a single chain ring. I don't use a front shifter. So it has a nice web design. It's not Shimano's own design, this but I think it must be around 500 600 grams, 600 grams probably, the crank. Whereas the one I got, this is about 800 grams. This is Shimano's own Sora. It's an old design, so I got it for cheap, but I don't mind. I might replace these two chain rings, but for now I want to try the Shimano one and see how well it works. So with this, I have some grease I got from a store, uh, a soft uh, hammer, mallet, and some Allen keys. So and this I got from AliExpress. I don't know if I'm going to need it or not. It already comes with this, but seems very plasticky. Anyways, let's get to work.
Why don't you ride a bike? Love, la la la. Why don't you ride a bike anymore? Why don't you ride a bike? Love, la la la. Why don't you ride a bike anymore? Why don't you let in the sun? Why don't you go for a walk?
it's 130 centimeters, 53 tooth. So because of that, I get a high range, gear range. But the one which I have has a fewer tooth. I think they have 40. They have 32 tooth and 43 tooth. I think something like this. 34 and 40, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, yeah, it's written here very hard to see. 48. So size difference is considerable. Everything else seems to be the same. The this where it grips the crank arm is slightly different, but let's see. Here we go.
Why don't you look at the garden? Why don't you smile anymore? Why don't you let in the sun? Why don't you go for a walk? Why don't you look at the garden? Why don't you smile anymore?
And we're gonna take this instructions off. Good to read instructions. Shimano FC35503503 Malaysia 165. I like short pedals. I like to put in more strength than to have more movement, but for each their own, I guess. And okay.
Why don't you let in the sun? Why don't you go for a walk? Why don't you look at the garden? Why don't you smile anymore?
Maybe it's meant to protect from damage, I guess. Anyways, I'll keep it in place and I'll see if it needs to be uh, removed after a bit of cycling, see if the force is there or not. So tighten it, and the two screws, the cross bolts, not screws, bolts, supposed to be tightened together. Tighten one and then tighten other, not to the. It's supposed to be tightened quite a bit, but
Why don't you ride a bike? La 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 la. Why don't you ride a bike anymore? Why don't you ride a bike? La 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 la. Why don't you ride a bike anymore? Why don't you let in the sun? Why don't you go for a walk? Why don't you look at the garden? Why don't you smile anymore? Dancing in the moonlight, lost in neon streets, whispers from the night sky, living in a dream. Echoes in my heartbeat, rhythms never lie. Stars are in alignment, falling from the sky. Wake me in the morning, hold me through the night. Living in a wonder, love that feels so right. Silent conversations, eyes that never blink, floating in sensations,
My cycle is ready. Hooray! Hooray!